Hello, my name is Nikita Subhash Bhatkar. I am from Amravati. I have completed my degree in electronics and telecommunication in 2019. After that, completing my degree, I have searched lots of job. After searching a job, I didn't get a success. So I at that time I have heard about the eVision TechnoServe internship and their OJT programs. Then eVision TechnoServe company is a consultancy, that is a IT consultancy. So at that time I have decided to join the IT eVision. So the in eVision there are various trainers in the for the different modules like Roshan sir, Bibhushit sir, Tarun sir, and Rahul sir. In after joining the eVision, first of all, I have learned about the N plus basic. In N plus basic, I have learned about the various types of networks. That is LAN, MAN, WAN, CAN. Then I have also learned about the various types of network on the basis of model, that is a peer-to-peer and the server and client model. After that I have also learned about the various types of topology, that is tree topology, mesh topology, star topology, hybrid topology, and tree topology also. After that I have learned about the various types of network devices, that is bridges, switches, and gateways also, and router also. After that I have learned about the cabling, and after cabling I have learned about the OSI model and the TCP model. After learning the N plus basic, then I have learned the about Windows administration under the guidance of the Rahul Das sir. In Windows administration, I have learned about the client operating system and the server operating system. In client operating system, I have also learned about the various types of administrative tools, that is in control, various types of tools that is which is present in the control panel. I have learned about the disk management, disk cleanup, disk fragmentation, then disk manager, then device manager also. After that I have learned about the domain joining process, then FTP, then RDP. Then RDP stands for the remote desktop protocol, and FTP stands for the file transfer protocol. After that I have learned about the ADDS tools, then how to active the ADDS. Then I have also know about the domain controller. After that I have learned about the BitLocker, then Event Viewer, then Defender Firewall also. So these are the all the topics which I have learned in the Windows administration module. And I have also done the practical. So after that I have learned about the CCNA module under the guidance of the Bibhushit sir. In CCNA module I have learned about the various types of routing. Then I have learned about the IP addressing, then subnetting mask. There are two types of subnetting mask process, that is the FLSM and VLSM. After that I learned about the static routing and dynamic routing. In dynamic routing there are various types of dynamic routing, such as the ERGP, RIP, and OSPFs. After that I learned about the access control list. In access control list we I learned that how to block the any users, or how to allow the any users. After that I learn about the NAT and PAT technologies. After that I learn about the VLAN, that is VLAN technologies and VLAN trunking protocol. Then I have also learn about the WAN protocol. Then I have also learned about the WAN technologies. Then I have learned about the backup and restore and disaster recovery also. Then I have also learned about the spanning tree, then cabling, the NAT and CHA protocol. These are all the things that I have learned in the CCNA module. Besides this I have also learned about the ITIL under the guidance of Babita ma'am. In ITIL I have learned about the incident management, problem management. There are 5 books of ITIL, which is are the strategy, service strategy, service design, and service transition, and portfolio management, change management, event management. These are all the management which I have learned in the ITIL. And I have also learned the various processes and various functions in the ITIL. After that, so I can feel confident that I have learned all those things very peacefully and patiently. So I know that I am very confident that I can face any interview now. And in evasion there are also weekly interview, so I face 7 to 8 interviews. So now I can feel the confidence that I can face any real interview. Thank you.